Some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization fix. So if you're having this issue, what you can actually try to do is that if you're on Windows 10, right, because this issue is mostly common on Windows 10, but you can also try this on Windows 11, you have to just right click on your desktop, click on new, and first create a new text document. And now I will simply name this text document whatever else it is right here. And what you want to do is open it up. Once you open this text document, you want to simply copy and paste a certain code. So I will simply give you the code in the description. This is the code. Just copy in it and go to the new text document and paste it. Click on File and click on Save As. Once you click on Save As, you want to simply actually choose a destination folder where you want to save it. Then just go ahead and then type in a name, but you want to save this in .bat or .bat format, and you can choose all files from here and click the Save button. Now, after you've done that, what you want to do is you'll find that particular file here. All you have to do is right click and run this as an administrator. And once you click on yes, it will restart the computer. And once you restart your computer, if it doesn't, then do it manually. This will help you solve the problem. And that particular code will be in the description box. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.